work bolgi okay no simagi okay ke bills amendment tawro pi matang debate ai su kya khang de ado akoi tai ada phazan tai khang ni party ki discussion tawi adegi ai su sum satra mo jera koi social science ki student ina phaktok na khot na thi ada hanak tawro isina kari no misuse taw na masi ka mind tawi hana problem le adu work ki le ba problem se solve taw ge na moina sarkar na semdo rak pani hai adu mo gi motive se adura semdo ke di moina tawri se taw ga da tawroi dra na nei na kanda moida Muslim the target of Mamba, specific in the target of Mamba, character Karakui. Aduna in the floor of Akogi, Miana Sudum Tavina, and it's in the floor of the house eyes. No nationalist imagination, Jakaraman, no Jakarina Take, 15% lady by Muslim community member of the knowing a second of the Algeva Parliament. There's not a single Muslim MP BJP. 15% lady by the national and inclusive way to the Yauga say Hana Tamgravan. Sige wapam se thamaga ina handaki work se ngang de to sai su mam ngang nei hai adu di mapung ni nungsi bagi mai magi koi furup ki khanja bai pakhatna ai bu nungsi be bagi hairak po erong mani ojabi mo je work ki man ta suang ngangak te khai na hai adu bo kangbu na vote ki adu thada ki bini koi na adu aina akhona ai won de vote ki ga mari le na ga wa ngang oi du de mon de haber ko no aina conviction le rakan na ngang da bani ai ki vote thadar ei thadar oi na ina ngang da na te line Chanbidana, Miam the Nuxidana was Unsida example of Setaronga, MP, Majikaman Tongni, Manakari Nangani, Karikari walked away, says Setaronga, Duga, political culture, the Hanaka movement of the APCR Mena. Tapna Tamno Hong Koya never sing in the Lakpani. And I'm using Anze, Vodka Marilla in the day, I get conviction in the Sigma among those guys in the floor of the house. Muslim Amata Yauda Banugi national imagination, Chikarino, and Nanga on the floor of the house. And what is so when I'm coming to be in a tight, is a lakanda, I could hear a conversing in the parliament. The Kanaba the Yawi, a regi, I want to hear a Kamba MP, Mam, the Tanako and Tawisana, Supai, I research assistant member. See, this is the 100 working problems. More intentions and reformation, not there. Targeted Oiba, Muslim property singzi, Loxan Nabonaba Moisi target, Yaduna, Taina, Kogi, German Ginasi Matamda. First they came for the Jew, I didn't speak up because I was not a Jew. Then they came for the communists, since I was not a communist, I didn't speak up in a ngangom. Ultimately they came for me and there was no one to speak up for me. Eko party na uba ina sukanja bada. Ngasi di Muslim the target or it will be next Christian or be atop religious kum da tawra loi haiba ngamdew. Magi indication ya adugi pot amo ine ui. Adigi controversial oi bada migi Muslim body da na Supreme Court so hangale da Hindu ki temple same da noi Muslim yahan bi adori bright suguma magi weakness me am le aduna work bill sunga sagi moi ki minority or ibanga sigi Muslim sing sida reform to the problem the litigation na yom na le ba work ki amna problem sulai le ta badi nati adu reform to iba posidi adu the address to bana de ngasai Muslim minority sing sigi magi kari haini muisi control tawna ba lakshan na bogi type ta torpa aduga Muslim na hana prominent oina tawraga chanchalakpa mathang minority ma'am su target torpa ya bagi step amo eduna ne aduga khwai gi lubudi constitutional level da politics wa mula kanda constitutionally masya valid oibra is it equality before law article 14 of the constitution da just over the yari bro pa na constitutional dimension ya koi party na maruina munna lawris it is unconstitutional oiba provision ya we legally challenge sa gani adu process me am chu we many all of the awra na work ki matang simana ai na me am da thamjan